All right, we're gonna see how this works. So, today yesterday we got a call from a customer. His truck is set to come in to cut, buff, paint, correct. There's some issues. I had suggested another shop to do interior work and some running gear issues, fuel injected and so forth. While they're ready to finish up, do the AC charge, and it was discovered there was water in a cylinder, coolant in a cylinder. So let's go look and see what we're playing with now. As you can see, we got a 54 International. It's got a 66 327 down in it with the Holley, or I'm sorry, not Holley, MSD fuel injection. Right now I'm in the middle of getting everything out of the way to pull the heads. We'll pull all the injection off, set it aside. Most of the accessories are out of the way. I got the AC compressor out. I'll be pulling the alternator and brackets off, and then I'll start working on the exhaust and the top end. So this is kind of where we're at. I do need to pull and mark the distributor, and I just plan to drop it back in where I found it. Pull the cap off of and mark the distributor, and then I will pull the distributor itself. But that'll put us back within realm of reason as long as I don't have to turn the engine over before putting the distributor back in. And I should be able to do all that, get the distributor back in before I adjust valve lash. Here's sort of where we started. Just basic. I figured I'd bounce in here and show what I got going on. Anyhow, so there's some issues in paint. It needs cut and buff desperately. I did some body work, some paint work on this. Another guy started it, and things happened, and it came to me when I was still operating as Smith Welding. If you bounce over on the Facebooks and Insta, 4Q Customs is the shop, 4Q Customs LLC. We're a thing now. So, kind of show you around a little bit. It's a driver. It will not be a perfected vehicle, but it's going to be very nice when I'm done. I mean, they've done where it was sent out to do interior. If you guys know the local area, I got dirt on the interior. My God, I got to wipe that down. Alan Fawcett did a bang-up job. He built this console custom. It's steel and ABS plastic wrapped. So they did just one hell of a job. I'm really happy to see the work that they did on this. And we'll be doing that. So you got this yellow, black line, white. The hood, I actually painted the hood. It was given to me, and I wasn't given any instruction. I didn't see the rest of the truck at this point. 4 years ago. So we're actually going to correct our error, and we're going to paint this portion yellow, put the black stripe on, and then we're going to clear over the whole hood. There are a few things that happened over the course of time. We've got a chip right here. We'll deal with that properly, and so the whole thing's getting re-cleared anyhow. But as it stands, right now we're pulling the top end apart. I will pop in and do a short video with that. All I can do right now is steps. I can show you steps as I move along. But for the moment, there you go. I pulled the dipstick. It's chocolate milk. We pulled 246 cylinder 6 plug wire out, plug and plug wire, and dropped a scope down there at the other shop I was at. So I got this fevered call, do you do head gaskets? I had no concept of, no point of reference. So I had to get more information. My buddy Kevin says it's for my International. So I said, yeah, we can do that. I haven't done a head gasket job in quite a while, but it's like riding a bike. You just got to get back to it. So we're going to do, I'm going to take and tear that down. I'll get the intake pulled off, get the exhaust off. Hopefully I can just unbolt the exhaust and lay them off to the side. There may be enough room in the engine bay. Don't know yet. I'm hoping I can do it that way. Do it the easy way rather than the hard way. And then get the heads up off of there. So I'm going to work my way through it slowly. I'll bounce back in and just give short videos of where I'm at. One day I'll get to where we're editing footage and putting out full sequence videos. Or multi-sequence videos, whatever. But stick around. I'm back. I'm back doing this. I'm back doing what I love. 4Q Customs, I will be getting the logo finished up. A good friend of mine is doing the artwork for us. And then I'll start working on some designs and shirts and such. It'll be a fun time. I'm back in my element. I'm back doing what I'm supposed to. I'll talk to you later.